Alright everyone, I'm going to look at this article on Football Fancast. Excuse, that's a notification on the laptop. It's by Angus Sinclair. Mentions David Ornstein's left back facelift mention that he did in his Q&A. And the headline of this is Better than Kirkes, Liverpool join the race for world-class 50 million left back. So, let's see. Now this one here is according to Gazzetta dello Sport. I'll try opening it, but I'm not confident I'm going to be able to read it, unless there's an English translation. Oh, there is an English translation. And the headline from Philip Crow for this is Juve sell Cambiaso to repay Moss's dismissal, but Giuntioli also has a plan B. I'll go back to this one. Now, apparently, riddled with monetary issues, Juventus are ready to hold a fire sale as they try to avoid financial sanctions, and Cambiaso is among those listed. Man City and Bayern Munich, according to this article, are also interested for the £50 million move. Rated player, sorry. Kirkes is meant to be valued at 40 million, but why is he better than Kirkes? He's got 74 games for Juventus and 14 goal involvements since he signed from Genoa. I'll be interested to know how old they both are, you know. So when do they... So let's have a look at the ages as well. So Kirkes turns 22 in November. And as for this Italian, because I know he's older, but I don't know by how much. He's just turned 25. So there is an age gap. He's quick. What's it say here? Physically gifted and endowed with the pace and potency down the flank to serve strongly as an all-encompassing wide defender. This article says he may be a more refined, more refined pick for slots Liverpool than Kirkes. I see where they're coming from. I really do, because I also looked at Aït-Nouri and I thought potentially could be a better fit. And he's shone this season at Juventus as Cambiaso, despite not having a great year. Let's have a look. Matches and starts. 26 games for Cambiaso, 20 starts to 29 for Kirkes. He started them all. 2 goals each, 1 assist for Cambiaso, 5 for Kirkes. Touches 64.7 to 57.8. Pass completion, so we're doing Cambiaso first to Kirkes, 92% to 81. So Cambiaso has got a better passing accuracy. Key passes 1.1 to 0.9, so Cambiaso's winning there. Dribbles 0.9 to 0.6. Cambiaso's missing there. And this is per game, by the way. Ball recovery 3.6 Cambiasso, 4.6 Kirkes. Tackles and interceptions 2 for Cambiasso, 2.6 for Kirkes. Clearances 0.6 Cambiasso, 2.7 for Kirkes. Duels 1, 3.3 and 52% for Cambiasso, 3.8 and 51% for Kirkes. They're fairly similar stat-wise, but they say here deeper diving set has Cambiasso as a more talented attacking fullback. He's ranked as one of the top 12% of fullbacks across the top 5 leagues over the past year for shot creating actions, the top 5% for pass completion, and the top 9% for progressive carries per 90. If you wonder what a carry is, they've got a note here. So considered progressive if the ball's moved forward to the opponent's goal at least 10 yards from its starting point or is carried into the penalty area. I'm going to turn my phone down because there's a look at his passing here. Just watching him. But yeah. There's another alternative. I do know him as a player. I've seen Juventus play, I've seen him play. It's a tough one to call because of that age gap as well. But what are your thoughts on Cambiasso of Juventus? It's interesting though that they've maybe having to sell due to financial restrictions because they've got some good players. There's you've got the Turkish wonder kid there on the wing. You've got Vlahovic. So some interesting options. Alright guys, thank you very much.